boom shoppa. Beep bop boom shoppa. Beep bop boom shoppa. As we age, our body produces less collagen.
If you don't want to look like a wrinkled prune like me, then you want to use stuff that will help produce more collagen. Because without the right amount of collagen in our bodies, we will wrinkle up and prune. Unfortunately, I neglected myself when I was younger. So now I look like a Granny McGrannerson. Good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk about ways to increase your collagen at home every day. So one thing I start off with every morning is a warm glass of water with lemons, fresh squeezed lemon in it, as well as the rind. You could put it in your blender and get it all ready to put to add into a glass of warm water. Now, as you already know, lemon is high in vitamin C, and the rind has a lot more vitamin C in it. So the rind is very important as well. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, a great antioxidant for aging, anti-aging. And vitamin C will produce collagen in the body, and it's also good for detoxification and removing toxins and all that. So every morning, guys, warm glass of water with the lemon and the lemon rind. So that will do it every day, and it will help you. Another product that I recommend is a collagen hydrolysate. I can't pronounce that very well. It's a protein supplement with collagen. It has a lot of amino acids in it as well. It's a very clean supplement. I don't know if you could see this. I'm trying to wait for it to. It has no MSG. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, all natural. I've been taking this for a long time. And not only is it a great collagen supplement for anti-aging, but it also will help your hair, skin, and nails. This will help your hair grow faster too. It's a great product. I love this stuff. So this is another one. And another thing that you're going to want to use on your face, you could use it daily as a natural cleanser or as a mask or whatever. I use it every single day though, morning and night. And the reason why I use Manuka honey specifically is that it has 100 times more antibacterial methyl glycol, which slows down the aging process and increases collagen in your skin. The one that I use is a little expensive, so I don't use a whole lot, but trust me, it's worth it. It's like liquid gold. This stuff is really good. It's the real stuff. So Manuka honey is great. It's excellent. It's non-comedogenic on the scale, so it won't clog your pores, it won't cause acne, and it has great anti-aging benefits. So it's another thing. And then the other thing that you're going to want to do is take a hyaluronic acid skin treatment every day as well. And this already occurs naturally in our body. And if you use it on your skin, it will help the elasticity and produce more collagen to the skin. So you're going to want to use a hyaluronic acid treatment every day as well. So if you use these 4 things that I mentioned in the video, it will help your skin produce more collagen and elasticity and give you a more youthful look and help you feel more confident. Keep you looking younger longer. So I hope you liked the video, guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to leave a link of all the products below, so I hope that you'll give them a try and click on the link. If you like them, let me know in the comment, or let me know the results. All right, take care. Best of luck.